Hi, my name is Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to plug in your new Intel NUC computer. In order to plug in your new Intel NUC, you will need to unplug all of the cables from your old Dell Thin Client. In order to do this, you will have to unplug and set aside each cable that was plugged into it previously. These cables will be the power supply, the Ethernet cable, your keyboard and mouse, and then the display cable. In order to unplug these, simply pull out each cable and then set it aside. For your Ethernet cable, you will unplug this by pressing the small tab at the bottom and then pulling out. For the USB cables, simply unplug these as normal. And then for the display cable, which can be identified as a DVI cable by the white shielding around it, simply unscrew each of the screws counterclockwise and then take it out. If you're having issues unscrewing this, use a flathead or a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew it. Now that we have everything unplugged, we can go ahead and unbox our Intel NUC. Do so by taking the top cover off, and you will see the power supply first. The power supply is broken up into two parts: the power brick itself and the connector. Plug the connector into the power brick with the 3 prongs. Once that's done, plug the power supply into the same outlet as the Dell Thin Client's power supply. Next, we have the Intel NUC unit itself. And then lastly, we'll have the mounting hardware. Set this aside as you won't need this quite yet, however, you will in the future. Moving back to our Intel NUC, you will see that it has mostly the same ports as the Dell Thin Client. Simply plug all the cables back into their respective locations, and you should be good to go. This can be done with the keyboard, the mouse, our Ethernet cable. You will know this is plugged in when you hear a click, and the power supply. Lastly, we have the display port. On each Intel NUC, we have an HDMI connector. Unfortunately, not all computers had an HDMI connector. To remedy this, we've supplied adapters in their place. You will receive an adapter according to which display port you had on your computer. In this situation, since we had a DVI connector, we have a DVI adapter. On this adapter, you have one side that is HDMI, and another side which is DVI. Along with the adapter, you should have received an HDMI cable. Simply plug the cable into the adapter, and then plug the other end of the cable into the unit. Lastly, you will need to plug the new adapter into the monitor. Do so by unscrewing the old DVI cable that you had plugged into the back of the monitor, and then plug the cable back into its place. Once everything is plugged in and connected, simply power on the NUC with the power button, let it boot up, and you should be good to go. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call at 952-548-5558 or send us an email at support@oactechnology.com. Thank you, and have a great day.